Alpha, the world's first WhatsApp traffic app. Buckle in, it's going to be a good one. This headline, these claims, what's going on with this product, and what's going on with WhatsApp marketing. I'm going to show you inside of the actual dashboard, walk through what it does. But before we get started, I want to let you know I do have a bonus at the end of this video for you. It's 100% free training. I'm going to give you the access details at the end of this video. More about that later. But before we get started with this alpha review, I got to go full on George Washington here. I cannot tell a lie. I don't know anything about WhatsApp marketing. I did use the WhatsApp app on my phone for a little bit when I was in Kuwait. But here in the US, I don't use the WhatsApp app, and I know very few people that do, simply because WhatsApp is a replacement for SMS messaging, which in some countries costs a lot of money, but here in the US, SMS or text messaging is basically free with your phone plan. And over at sumo.com, you can see that there are 42 billion messages sent through WhatsApp each day across 109 countries. And you can see that list of countries here: South Africa, Malaysia, Argentina, Singapore, Hong Kong, Spain, India, Mexico, UAE, Italy, and the Netherlands. Some more important data from sumo.com that you need to understand is who is on WhatsApp. As you can see here, 50% or more of the population in major countries like South Africa, Argentina, India, Spain, Mexico, Italy, Germany, and Brazil use WhatsApp. And while teens in Germany and UK are fans of WhatsApp, they really hit a sweet spot with adult users. So the average age of the WhatsApp user is 36. Is this your target market? Is your target market using WhatsApp? This is the question you have to ask yourself before you even look at this sales page and get wrapped up in the hype of Alpha, which is the world's first WhatsApp traffic solution. According to this sales page, you can push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. Of course, it's made for absolute beginners. You can quit your job, travel, enjoy life. You can stop failing and finally break through. You got a 365-day money-back guarantee, plus get results or get paid $250. Straight off the bat, that sounds like a lot of hype to me, but like I said, never used WhatsApp for anything other than sending SMS or text messaging in a foreign country. So hey, what do I know? Well, one thing I do know is when you get inside the dashboard, the first thing that you get is a creator app. Now inside this creator app, basically what you do is you create these little images, GIFs, videos here inside of the app that you are going to be texting to people. Of course, you click on one of those. Here you can change the video. If you don't like the people running, you could change it to this right here. You're about to add a video to the canvas, replace the video, wait for that in the background to do something. There you go, the video is replaced. You can see there it did replace the video. Then you can click here and you can of course change any of this right here by editing the text. And then you can drag this little image here, and of course it has a little image that says call us because you're going to be texting it to people on their phone on the SMS app. And let's see, you can upload your own content, you can add text, so you can add different text. They have different elements here, so you can drag over these emojis or actually click on the emoji. It adds the emoji, then you can resize the emoji here. So that works, that's all good. You could add audio file here, you can add music. So it'll have music here that people can listen to. And then you can mess around with layers right here. So this is each layer of this. So I'm assuming that you could play around with this wherever that layer is. Let's see if we delete layer 13. I deleted layer 13. What is layer 12? Okay, it deleted the phone there. Still don't know where this emoji is. Layer 1 was the video. Layer 3, is there any undo in case we messed up here? Because I deleted everything. I don't see an undo button, so we would have to just start over again. So let's see, we save that, and then we download that. You cannot edit further once you confirm. Okay, continue. You can see this previewing over here in the right-hand corner. That is spinning. I wanted to download. Okay, it's starting to do something now. I'm still waiting for it to do something. As you can see, the screen is just white as I record this because we've edited the video and the audio and added that little emoji. Okay, we got a pop-up block here. Pop-up's blocked. so that it sends a little pop-up to download. Okay, of course we need to allow that, so we'll say done. Okay, maybe we need to refresh that to get it to download. Let's reload that now that we've got rid of the pop-up blocker, because apparently this calls a pop-up. Okay, so we'll go back and we'll hit download again. You've not selected any video nor audio, so your video will create by default audio. You cannot, okay, continue. It's just telling us that we're just gonna get default audio or video, because remember I deleted that video when I was playing with the layers, and there's no way to undo your mistakes. You would have to start from scratch. Again, the previewing up in the right hand corner, it's spinning and thinking. We allowed the pop-up. So let's see if it actually downloads this time. Okay, so there we go, it downloaded. It's an MP4 right there. And once that is downloaded, what you have there is an MP4. Of course, if there was video or audio, you would be able to hear that. But again, I deleted that in the layers, and there was no way to undo it. So that's the first element, is the creator. Back to the dashboard. The next thing is search details. Search details. This is where you can come in and find a product to promote. So for example, if you type make money, it'll find an offer right here, the sales page on Warrior Plus, and you can grab your link from Warrior Plus. So basically what this does is this links to Warrior Plus to find offers. Okay, there we go. Now if you just leave that blank, you can see here A/B split testing software, opening up sale, the pivot point PLR. So this is basically pulling in the data from the Warrior Plus marketplace and allowing you to search. So that's what the search deals does. Search deals, not search details, search deals. It allows you to search the Warrior Plus marketplace. Number list. Here's where you would add your numbers. Enter the WhatsApp numbers, 1 per line. So back to the sales page, this was push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. Of course, some proof that this works, some random screenshots from Warrior Plus. And it's a two-step process here. Step 1, purchase. Click the buy button below to grab a copy. Step 2, push one button to send free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in as little as 23 seconds. I know I've done a lot of talking, but it's been past 23 seconds. And so far, we've gone through the creator, the search deals to find a good deal on Warrior Plus. And now we need to import a numbers list of our WhatsApp numbers. So here's where I'm kind of stuck. At this point, we were supposed to have 23 seconds of push button fire off to buyers, but now we have to enter these WhatsApp numbers. Where do these WhatsApp numbers come from? So my question to you is, at this point, if you are thinking about buying this product and you've never built an audience on WhatsApp, meaning you don't have their telephone number, then you won't be able to send them a message. So you will need some type of process already in place to build a WhatsApp audience. So you can use this tool, so you can blast out within 23 seconds the images that you built in the creator, which you could do that free with Canva, I'm sure, and also blasting out these deals that you've used inside of the search deals console here inside of Alpha, the WhatsApp, first ever WhatsApp app or SaaS solution. But now we're at the point where we need a numbers list. Again, back to the fact that we have to build this number list and we have to get these numbers from somewhere, and this tool isn't doing that for us. So again, you need to build a numbers list. Click on messages. This is the next step. And of course, here is where you would actually send a message. You can compose a message right here. So you share what's new. What's new. Here you would select an image to send, or the graphic that you made, or the MP3 that you made. Let's see if we can upload that. Browse to upload. Here's the project that we made, the MP4. There we go. Let's go ahead and add that to the message. And of course, we click here, we add that to the message. We would delete this. Okay, so here's what the message is going to look like. It says, what's new? That was my message. It's going to send this MP4, and then it's going to blast this out to our list. Again, our list of numbers that we had, that we have to go find. So you can schedule it here, so you can set up a schedule. Insights, I'm assuming this would be the insight into the messages and accounts once you send them. This would be a history feed. a feed of the messages that you previously sent. Exactly, you can see right here, you sent it. It was when it was published, and you can delete the message. Here is something about an RSS feed. Let's go back to Composer. Down here is a button to share now. Schedule it, draft it. Okay, so you click schedule, then you actually schedule it. So we would schedule it for today, the 15th at, let's see, 5:20, because it's 5:12 a.m. as I'm shooting this. No account selected. So here you would need to select account. So apparently this PP count here. Click on the center in the main menu, create your numbers list. So here again, where you import your numbers list, click on the connect list buttons. You'll be able to connect your WhatsApp numbers list. You'll be able to send messages to your WhatsApp numbers list. So again, here you're in the area where you have to actually go out and find the numbers. And again, I don't have any numbers to send to. And again, just like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't do WhatsApp marketing. I'm just showing you inside of this, and I'm trying to think out loud here and be logical about the simple fact. Do you have WhatsApp numbers? Do you have a list of customers already on WhatsApp? Or do you have a way to get these numbers from your current customer list? Or if you want to build a new list, what is your strategy going to be to get people to give you their numbers? So I went to Google and I simply typed in WhatsApp marketing. And of course, there is an ad for some business software that allows you to engage with your customers. And I'm assuming it has something to do with WhatsApp marketing because they're paying for that spot in Google. There's also a Udemy course here about WhatsApp marketing, but there's also some great articles. And of course, I already showed you the Sumo article and the SendPulse article that talks about what is WhatsApp marketing. And I scrolled down and there were some videos here. And here's Learn WhatsApp Marketing with this complete course, beginning to advanced, that was published July 31st, 2020. And I really like this angle, be a marketer, not a spammer. And if you scroll down here, you can actually see there's some great introduction here, as well as it walks you through how to set up your profile, how to build your WhatsApp app profile, how to use apps, groups, using the catalogs, how to send messages, why to send messages. And down here is how to get people to sign up. And here's what they say inside of this video, how to get people to sign up. WhatsApp status is a feature on WhatsApp that you can take advantage of when you are doing business with your customers. Let your customers know about your WhatsApp business number. If you have built your followers on your social media channels, then they can add you on their WhatsApp contact list, and then you will be able to use your WhatsApp status to promote your products and services. So again, back to the sales page, step 1, purchase. Click the buy button below to grab a copy. Step 2, push one button to send free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in as little as 23 seconds. And of course, those 2 steps can change the direction of your life. And there's a picture of a green Lamborghini. At this point, I'm just going to say it. If you're on this sales page and you see this picture of this green Lamborghini and you think this product is going to make you the kind of money that you need to purchase a Lamborghini, then, just like I said at the beginning, I'm going to go full George Washington on this one. I cannot tell a lie. You are way off the mark. And again, like I said, I don't know anything about WhatsApp marketing, but I do know that you're going to need to build a list of contacts and customers. And from the research I've done in this video, the primary market for WhatsApp is not in the US. The average age is 36. So you need to ask yourself, is your target market those people? And were you thinking about using WhatsApp for your products, for your services, to do affiliate marketing, whatever it is you do, before you landed on this sales page and read this headline? Push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. And back in the software, we are here to send our message that we are going to send to the numbers list that we need to add to one of the deals that we searched on Warrior Plus, and send this image that we created inside of this creator, all here inside of the Alpha app. Of course, there is an Autobot. But when I clicked on the Autobot, I waited a little bit and I got a 504 gateway timeout. So we'll go ahead and we will refresh that. Take note that that 504 gateway timeout came from the server that is hosting the Alpha app. It's not my internet connection. My internet connection is working just fine. What time is it? 5:20 a.m. Thursday, April 15th. Right now, I'll go ahead and refresh that again so you can see it is not my internet connection. it is actually the server on the alpha side, and I have completely lost connection to alpha. Here we go, back to the dashboard, back to Autobot. All right, just a small hiccup there. That's fine, it happens. Here is the Autobot. Once you build your message, add your numbers list, find your details, find your deals. I don't know why I want to say details. Find your deals on Warrior Plus and create the image or the MP4 that you're going to blast out. You do have an Autobot here that you can automatically have it send replies and messages. Of course, no WhatsApp numbers found because I need to enter those. There is no automated way to scrape or get WhatsApp numbers. And then, of course, here there is the social share element. When you click on social share, it's not doing anything. Let me click on messages. As you can see, I click on messages. Alpha apps loading, social shares. Social share button does nothing. I'm clicking on that and it does nothing. So again, back to the sales page, push one button to drive traffic, autopilot traffic in 23 seconds. The only one on here that I'm hopeful for is you get your money back, and you might be able to get $250 if you don't get any results. So if you're looking to make a quick 250 bucks, you might be able to pay 17 for this, show that you didn't get any results, cash in on that $250 promise and see if that is real or not. And with that, it's bonus time. Link in the description to take you over to a 12-step training that is 100% free for you to learn how to actually be an affiliate marketer and build a real affiliate marketing business. Because like I said at the beginning, I don't know anything about WhatsApp marketing, and if you don't either, then this is not something you should probably dig into. So I'm not going to recommend this product. If you got any value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos that are popping up on the end screen right now. Click those, watch them, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.